When it comes to comfort and space, the new 22 Kia Sorento X-Line EX all-wheel drive has it all. Come, let's check it out. With its reclining second row captain chairs, passengers can now relax on their trips. The captain chairs also slide forward at your touch, okay, for even more extra cargo space or to get inside for the third row seat. With fitting up to 7 passengers, you have the 50-50 split folding where it gives you extra cargo space. A lot of space, right? On the X-Line EX model, the power lift automatically activates when the car senses the smart key around it. As you can see, the key is right in my pocket and it will open your power lift, revealing a dual level cargo floor that can hold taller items and conceal valuables. Learn more about the 2022 Kia Sorento from Yonkers Kia, where respect is a two-way street.